Our world is precious. It's ours to enjoy, to protect, to treasure, and to look after. What if you could play your part? What are you doing today to make a difference? What sort of future do you want to create for your children? What if the answer has been right in front of us the whole time? Wood is our most valuable natural resource. Today, new technologies allow us to use all of it. We now produce our panels with plant-based adhesives, minimizing the amount of fossil-based materials we bring into our homes. Sustainability has always been a part of our journey. Why don't you join us on our journey as we endeavor to continually improve our living environment? You can make a difference. Isn't now the time to take action? The choice is yours. Plytech Green, providing sustainable materials to bring designs to life now and for future generations.